guys, welcome to Prithvi Nivasi. This is Prithvi welcoming you back with yet another new beautiful video. This property actually is on demand. Yes, most of my clients are looking for a 3 BHK duplex below 1 CR. तो बहुत सारे लोग कह रहे थे कि पृथ्वी कुछ ऐसा दिखाओ जो 1 करोड़ के नीचे हो, 3 BHK duplex हो और अच्छा सा नया सा प्यारा सा प्रॉपर्टी हो. तो दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज़ एक्चुअली ऑन डिमांड. आपने थंबनेल में पढ़ लिया होगा कि दिस इज़ ऑन डिमांड 3 BHK duplex. तो गाइस मैं लेके आया हूँ आपको एक वेस्ट फेसिंग प्रॉपर्टी विद 20-30 साइज प्लॉट के ऊपर बना हुआ एक 3 BHK duplex. In the ground floor there is a 1 BHK available which you can rent it out or make use of an office room in it, or maybe you have lots of guests in your house, तो ये ज़रूर 1 BHK आपका काम आएगा. तो this is a beautiful Arkavati Hennur Road property which is an BDA property, a brand new property and built on 2030. 20 is the front and the depth is 30 feet and it is a west facing property and the door is north facing. तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे 1 BHK अवेलेबल है. ये 1 BHK यूनिट विच वी आर एक्चुअली गोइंग इनसाइड राइट नाउ. दिस इज़ इन 1 BHK विच यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट अबाउट 8,000 रुपीज़ to 10,000 रुपीज़ रेंट एवरी मंथ. इट्स अ स्मॉल 1 BHK क्योंकि इट्स अ 600 स्क्वायर फीट प्लॉट और 600 स्क्वायर फीट प्लॉट में आपको ये प्राइस मैं अभी आपको बताता हूँ. फ़िलहाल लेट अस गो टू द 3 BHK duplex. वहाँ पे मैं आपको ये प्राइस बताऊँगा. यूटिलिटी एरिया, अभी फ़िलहाल मैं यूटिलिटी एरिया में हूँ. दिस इज़ द किचन, डाइनिंग एरिया एंड इन फ्रंट दैट इज़ द बेडरूम. वन गुड थिंग इज़ दिस 1 BHK इज़ हैविंग अ बैल्कनी. जो बेसिकली क्या होता है कि 600 स्क्वायर फीट में कोई बैल्कनी ग्राउंड फ्लोर वाले यूनिट में बैल्कनी नहीं देते बेडरूम में, लेकिन इसमें मैंने देखा है कि इसमें बैल्कनी भी है एंड not bad size, not very big bedroom and not very small as well. तो tenant इसमें he'll be happy to pay 8,000 rupees. It's a very nice locality road. और ये common toilet है. इसमें fall ceiling भी देखा बहुत दिनों के बाद. Fall ceiling and good tile work done in the. It's a very beautiful locality. Lots of houses around surrounding में. Arkavati Hennur main road. So we've done with the 1 BHK in the ground floor. So now time to go to the 3 BHK duplex and that's the motor and that is the sump. The borewell below the stairs. So before we go, let me show you the ceiling of the stairs area. यहाँ पे glass का एक पूरा काम किया हुआ है for the ventilation, the light to come inside the property. And the moment we have come to the first floor. So guys, please like and share and please subscribe this video as much as possible. Thank you. So now we are entering into the 3 BHK duplex. This is the living area. This is how the living area looks like, and in front that is the dining and then comes the kitchen and same utility almost. थोड़ा शायद ये बड़ा हो. I'm going to show you this directly. अभी फ़िलहाल मैं I don't want to get the video to be too long, so I'm not covering the utility area. Now I've entered the first bedroom in the 3 BHK duplex. This is the first bedroom. This is connected with the balcony again. So let me show you the view, how it looks from here. This balcony is a decent balcony, or nice bit of view from balcony we get. So quickly let us get out of this bedroom and go to the other 2 bedrooms on top. ये Hennur से about 200 to 300 meters off the Hennur main road. This property is available. It's a BDA Arkavati layout, Pakka BDA property. It's a west facing property and the doors are north facing. So guys, don't forget to like this video. If you're going to give me more than 500 likes in 2 days, I'm going to get you a new property. There's a nice storage area below the stairs. Let me show you that as well. यहाँ पे आप बहुत कुछ रख सकते हो. UPS रख सकते हो और बहुत सारी चीज़ आप यहाँ पे स्टोर कर सकते हो. तो guys, the more you like my videos, the more I get motivated. So let's cross 500 likes today and let me get more videos. So in the first floor we enter into a family lounge where here the children can study, and on the right hand side there is a bedroom, and on the left hand side there is the third bedroom. So quickly let me show you these two bedrooms and let us go to the terrace where I'm going to show you the full locality from the terrace area. So in the second bedroom I've come to a toilet which is nice spacious toilet. एक 2030 में इतना spacious तो I've never seen many properties having this spacious toilet. So this is the second bedroom with the balcony connecting with the balcony. Balcony में आपको direct, and I've jumped into the third bedroom. अभी मैं third bedroom में हूँ and I'm looking at the toilet again of the third bedroom. So both have attached toilet and there is one common in the first floor, and that is the balcony. So we are coming out of the third bedroom. We've looked at both. Now let's check the terrace area. यहाँ से मैं आपको सारा locality दिखाता हूँ. ये है सारा locality अर्कावती हेनोर area. This is a developed अर्कावती layout. Very less layouts अर्कावती में जो developed हैं, and the road is 30 feet road. So I'm really happy. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to like, and if you're new in the channel, please subscribe right now. Thank you.